everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the Crafty Corner.
Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. So I'm bringing you another men's concept, and I will be bringing you some more today. This is the Sauve basket for the men, and I did these in the tin. So I'm just going to turn you around and let you see what it looks like. Alright, so this is the Dove tin, Sauve tin. And in here I have the Sauve body wash and the Sauve lotion. And as well as a Dove Rich Nourishment Cream. All right, and then we have a loofah and our stereo sound headsets in here as well. All right, so that is what this has turned out like. I had 2 of the Sauve sets, so I went ahead and did 2 of these baskets. And this one, that one is the green one, and this one is the blue one. So just kind of use the blue shred in here for this one, and I use the green shred in here for this one. But I think that these turned out really nice. Alright, and they are definitely tagged and ready to go, y'all. So I'm just going to put one of my labels on there, just to make sure they can reach out. Alright, and that's one of these labels here. I have a green one that's already done, and I'm going to do the blue one as well. So we'll do a green one and a blue one. Let me put my little sticker on here. Alright, so that's what those look like. The blue one, and then we're going to do the green one. Alright, and that'll just hang on here just like so, as well as this one. Alright, so the label on here, when I do my tag labels for these gifts, it just simply says what it is, and it says Sauve Tin. Alright, and then it says my code for this is EBST. And that's ElytebyElyse Sauve Tin. Alright, now I only had 2 of the 10 buckets, 2 of these sets. I have plenty of Dove, and I had those big loofahs, so I said, okay, we'll do 2 sets for that. I am trying to do multiples of some things, so that I can push them on out as far as concepts go from the inventory. So you all tell me what you think down in the comments. Make sure you like, you share, you comment, because your comments are very important to me. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and help us grow. We are trying to get to 1,500, at which time we will do a giveaway. Alright, so if you want to be a part of the Crafty Corner, make sure you subscribe to the channel. You're always welcome in the Crafty Corner. Alright, and then check out our membership as well. We do have a Crafty Creators Club, and that membership is very affordable. We do DIYs and other crafts there as well. So I look forward to seeing you all again, and y'all tuning in. And I'm just tying this knot here so that I can put the tag on the basket here. Thank you all for tuning in. I hope you have an amazing Memorial Day weekend. You all be blessed. But most importantly, be a blessing. Thank you all for watching my video. Bye-bye, y'all. Hi everybody, it's
Crafty
Katrina.
Corner crafting with Katrina. We got crafty vibes going live, doing our thing for the loyal subs.